I'm Curt Frye. In this video, I would like to show you how to pull a number out of a text string and then use it either as text or convert it to a number. The sample file that I'm using is named convert text to number, and you can download it using the link that I provide in the video description below. In column A, I have a list of 5 products, and I wanted to keep this example simple. So the product category is to the left of this hyphen, and the product number within the category is to the right. So we can pull out the numbers 31 and 19 and so on using a text function. So I'll click in cell B2 and type equal. And the function we'll use, because we're looking for the text after our hyphen, is text after. The text is in cell A2, then a comma, and the delimiter is the character or string of characters that marks either the beginning or end of the text. In this case, we're using text after, so we want everything after our hyphen. It's a string, so I'll put it in double quotes. I don't need anything else, so I'll press enter, and we get 31. And if I click cell B2 and drag the fill handle down to cover B6, then I have the same numbers. But I want to emphasize that those are not numbers, they are text. They have digits that can be interpreted as numbers, but to Excel, they are text. So in cell B7, I'll type equal sum B2 colon B2 to B6, then enter, and I get a sum of 0, which just indicates that I'm working with text. If I want to convert those text values to numbers, then I can use a function that I forget about for long periods of time, but then remember whenever I want to clean up data. And that is the number value function. So in C2, I'll put in number value, and we're looking at the text in B2. Enter, and I get 31. You can tell visually, if you're familiar with Excel, that 31 is a number because it is aligned right within the cell, whereas the text in B2 is aligned left. So that's a visual cue that you can use as well. So I'll click C2 and then drag the fill handle down, and I get my numbers for those other values, and then I will drag the fill handle from B7 to C7, and I get a total of 174. And in this case, it doesn't matter what the total is because these are product numbers, but this is another way to make sure that I have numbers instead of text values. I hope you find this tip useful. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.